Did you know 70,000 Roman soldiers died in a single day because one man ignored basic military intelligence? In 216 BC, Rome controlled the Mediterranean through superior discipline and overwhelming numbers, but Consul Varro dismissed every warning about Hannibal's tactical brilliance. At Cannae, 86,000 Roman legions marched straight into what seemed like victory. Hannibal deliberately weakened his center, letting the Romans push forward exactly as planned. The trap was perfect. 50,000 Carthaginians closed in from both flanks simultaneously. What followed was tactical annihilation. Roman soldiers found themselves compressed into a killing ground, unable to swing their weapons. They were packed so tightly they couldn't even fall when struck down. For hours, Carthaginians methodically cut down helpless legionnaires like livestock. This single battle nearly ended Roman expansion, and made Hannibal the most feared commander in history. Sometimes tactical genius beats raw numbers. Superior strategy still wins wars today.